be learning about unit conversions. Why is this important? Well, for the most part, the U.S. uses one system that we all know and love, but everybody else uses another system called the metric system. So it's useful to know how to convert between them using factors such as these. And I'll be teaching you some useful tools for how to convert different units from one to another. But first up, a little bit about the metric system. For the most part, they use these bases for their measurements and then add on prefixes to them to show if they're bigger or smaller. You know these, like centimeters, milliliters, kilograms, and we use these factors to convert between them. I'll give you an example. Let's say that you had 9 kilograms of something, and you wanted to know how many grams that was. Well, we use something that I like to call the over-under method. So first you do times a line. On the bottom, you put the unit that you want to get rid of, kilograms. And on the top, you put the unit that you want, which in this case is grams. And then you just remember from your prefixes or your conversion factors how many of one is in the other. So in this case, because kilo means 1,000, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And then you multiply the top by the bottom, and we get 9,000. And the special part is that since kilograms is on top over here and on bottom down here, we're able to cross them out. So we're just left with grams. Now for something a little more complicated. Let's say that you had something that was 10 feet long, but you want to find how many meters that is. Well, we don't have a straight feet to meters conversion, so we can take it one step at a time. We know feet to inches, and then we know inches to centimeters, and then we can find centimeters to meters. So first, feet to inches. Feet goes on the bottom, inches goes on the top. And we know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And we do this, and then feet on top and on bottom cancel out. Then we can do another times a line. And then this time we do inches to centimeters. Inches on the bottom because it's on the top, and then centimeters over here. And then we do 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. And finally, centimeters to meters. Centimeters on the bottom, meters on top. In 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. And then we could do it all the tops across and all the bottoms across. So we have 10 times 12 times 2.54 times 1 over 1 times 1 times 100. And then because all the other units cancel out, we only have meters left. You can crunch those numbers later if you want to. To help you remember the over-under method, here is the chant. Get top and bottom, then cross and mount. Because we get what we have on top, and then we cross, and then we cancel it out by getting it on the bottom with what we actually want. So repeat after me. Get top and bottom, then cross them out.
Get top and bottom, then cross them out. Get top and bottom, then cross them out.